Some people get to the point where they see that do not force, do not strain, and going in this direction will move you towards Wu Wei. And they're on the right track here, because when you strain, when you put in too much effort, you actually start to get the body, the mind, and the energy to contract. So we often have these principles of the 70% rule, where you only put in a certain amount of effort and you never exhaust yourself. But now we're taking this way further than just the physical body. We're taking it way further than just the energetic body. We're taking it into the depths of the mind. So if we have a look at Wu, or emptiness, for a moment, emptiness is where everything comes from. Emptiness gives forth everything and creates manifestation. From the Tao, through emptiness, and coming down the planes into the realm of the 5 elements, or the realm of manifestation. And then the path of the water method Taoists is to go back to the source. And to get to the source, the Tao, you must go through that doorway of emptiness. Emptiness is not only where everything came from, but it's eventually where everything returns to. So the path is to go into emptiness and to create effortlessness in your practice. So emptiness, effortlessness, is something you're looking for to come into your reality, to permeate everything that you're doing. So how do you make life effortless, or how do you make your practice effortless? First of all, you need to learn some practice that's going to take you deep into your core. And the water method of Taoism started with things like qigong and then meditation, in order to go inwards, to wake up the internal systems of the body, to get all the qi to flow and to unify and to balance and harmonize. And then you go in and you go in and you go in, layer by layer by layer. And as you go through this, movements and techniques become extremely familiar. In the beginning, it takes effort. It takes effort to achieve anything. But then when things are familiar, when the machine is well oiled, it becomes more and more effortless, until eventually all the internal systems and all of the qi flows of the body become alive and active with almost no effort at all. It's not just the physicality. It's not just your energy. If you're looking to get to your essence, then you must go through the layers of your mind. You need to go through the emotions and deeper in until you clear out all that is blocked, all that is stagnant,